Truth and mercy never know defeat. Fire burn wickedness, let it fade away. Love shall shine like the break of day. One heart beating, one destiny. Jah forever set his children free. Roots grow deeper through the pouring rain. Faith gives strength through every joy and pain. No corruption can divide the soul. Just compassion always makes us whole. Lift your voice and let the trumpet sound. Peace and righteousness will now abound. From the mountains to the sea, every nation shall be free. Raise your banner, sing with pride. Jah is standing by our side. Fire burn wickedness, hear the cry. Truth will never, never fade or die. Let the drums of Zion lead the way. Hope is rising with a brighter day. Fire burn wickedness, hearts unite, walking boldly in the Father's light. One love growing like an endless flame, forever praising Just holy name. Fire burn wickedness, Jah light forever. One love, one people, give thanks and praise. Fire burn with gladness. Truth and mercy never know defeat. One love, fade away. Love shall shine like the break of day. One heart beating, one destiny. Jah forever set his children free. Morning light upon the hillside bright, children laughing in the golden light. Every nation, every tribe can see Jah made one family beneath one tree. No more walls to divide the soul. Love and mercy make the broken whole. Lift your eyes to the endless sky. Together we rise, together we fly. Hear the drums of freedom calling. Catch the spirit, no more falling. Hand in hand we stand so strong. Every heartbeat sings one song. One heart, one love, forever we stand. Guided by Jah across every land. One heart, one love, let the children see. From Kingston streets to African plains, hope still grows through joy and pain. Every river finds the sea at last, healing tomorrow, releasing the past. Let compassion be the guiding flame. Every sister, every brother the same. Plant the seeds where kindness grows. The tree of unity forever shows. No Babylon can break our chain. Love will wash away the pain. Raise your voices to the sky. Truth and justice never die. Queen of Zion, sing so free. Just sweet love is our destiny. One heart, one love, forever we stand. Guided by Jah across every land. One heart, one love, hear the voices rise like morning sunshine in our eyes. One heart, one love, let the whole world know. Where love is planted, peace will grow. Oh, Jah guide the way. One heart, one love, forever stay. One heart, one love, blessings forever, come what may. Morning sunrise over Zion Hill. Jah light shining, my heart stands still. No chain forever can hold the soul. Love and justice make the broken whole. Children singing by the riverside. Hope is stronger than the rising tide. From the dust we lift our eyes again, calling out, freedom shall reign. Freedom shall reign forever and ever. Jah hold thy hand now and forever. No more hatred, no more pain. Blessed love will break every chain. Freedom shall reign across the land. United hearts, hand in hand, with every drum and every refrain. Jah knows freedom shall reign. Babylon walls may stand so high, truth like an eagle still will fly. Every sister, every brother strong, lift your voice in a righteous song. Seeds of peace are growing wide, flowing deep like the ocean tide. Faith is stronger righteousness abound. One heart, one soul, one destiny, walking together in harmony. Freedom shall reign. Let the whole world sing. Lift your voices to the King of Kings. From every village, every Jah guide I. Rise with the morning light, the drum keeps calling, truth shines so bright, yeah. I see the sunrise breaking over every hill and sea. Love is stronger than the darkness, truth will set the people free. No fear can steal tomorrow, no hate can rule the day. With faith inside my spirit, I'll never lose my way. Lift your voices, sisters and brothers, stand together, hand in hand. Plant the seeds of peace and justice. Let love heal every land. Shine down Babylon with a song of peace. Let the cries of suffering find place cease. Raise your voice in hope. Let compassion lead. Plant a better future with every loving deed. Shine down Babylon. Let the truth be known. Together we'll build a brighter home. The children need tomorrow, filled with kindness, filled with grace. Every smile can light the pathway, every heart can find its place. Like rivers flowing freely, like mountains standing tall. Love becomes the strongest answer when we choose to lift us all. No walls can stop the sunrise, no storm can hide the sky. Hope will bloom in every nation as the years go passing by. Beat the drums with gladness, sing the melody of light. Every soul deserves its freedom, every dream deserves to rise. Shine down Babylon with a song so strong, calling every nation to sing along. Fill the earth with mercy, let forgiveness grow. Like the gentle rivers that forever flow. Shine down Babylon, let our hearts unite. Walking side by side into the morning light. Joy is love, forever true. Peace in my heart, peace in you. The drums keep beating, the fire burns bright. Together we'll walk in the light. Ooh, Jah guide Ooh, by the rivers of Zion, where the morning light is shining, my soul shall journey on. Down by the rivers of Zion, Guide I through the night. Your love surrounds my soul, forever shining bright. Morning breaks upon the hillside, golden light upon the sea. Every breath you freely give me is another victory. Though the wind may shake the branches, though the rain begins to fall, your gentle hand is always with me. I will never fear at all. When the world grows cold, your fire keeps me warm. When the skies turn gray, you calm every storm. Jah is my shelter, my refuge and song, holding my spirit where I belong. Mountains may tremble, rivers may rise, still I see hope in your everlasting eyes. Jah is my shelter, my strength every day, lighting my footsteps all along the way. Hear the drums of hope resounding, echoes through the ancient land. Every sister, every brother, walking hand in hand. Love the seeds of love and justice, water them with faithful hearts. From the roots of truth and mercy, a brighter future sun is rising. Blessings fall like gentle rain. I woke before the daylight with gratitude inside my soul. The wind whispered through the mountains. Child, let Jah take control. No matter where the road may lead me, no matter what the people say, His love is like a river, washing all my fears away. Through every trial, through every fire, Your mercy never fades. I lift my voice in sweet surrender in Your holy shade. Oil in my head, let it overflow. Fill my heart with peace wherever I may go. Bless my hands to comfort, bless my eyes to see. The light of Jah is living deep in me. Oil in my head, let the blessings stay. Guide my feet upon the righteous way. Children laugh beneath the mango. Elders chant beside the sea. Every heartbeat tells a story of hope and liberty. Love is stronger than the hatred. Truth is brighter than the night. When we stand as one together, Jah will make the burden light. No Byron can break my spirit. No darkness steals my song. The roots grow deeper every season, where faith has made me strong. The drumbeat calls the nations. The trumpet sounds so clear. Lift your voice with every sister. The time for love is here. Oil in my head, let it overflow like the rivers of mercy forever flow. Cover every family, every land and sea. Let justice bloom for all humanity. Oil in my head. walking toward the everlasting King. Chains may fall and rivers rise, faith keeps shining in our eyes. Through the fire, through the rain, Jah love carries every pain. Lift your hands, let your spirit soar. Love is opening every door. No more fear, no more divide. Truth and mercy be our guide. Everlasting kingdom, shining bright. Lead us with your holy light. From the valleys to the sea, just love us, set us free. Everlasting kingdom, hearts proclaim. Forever blessed in your holy name. One love growing strong and true. The kingdom lives in me and you. Children dancing in the breeze, hope is flowing through the trees. Every heartbeat keeps the time to the rhythm so pure, so divine. Babylon may stand so tall, still the righteous never fall. With humble hearts and steady feet, we march until all souls shall meet. No weapon forged can steal our song. Love has made the weak one strong. Justice blooming like the rain, healing every wound and pain. Africa, Caribbean shore, one family forevermore. Everlasting kingdom, hear our cry. Raise our spirits to the sky. Every nation, every land, walking hand in hand. Everlasting kingdom, forever we sing. Praise to Jah, our eternal King. Hope will blossom every day in the everlasting kingdom's way. Oh Jah, guide our hearts forever. One love, one faith, one destiny. Everlasting kingdom, forever and ever we sing. Morning light reveal the truth today. From the mountains to the sea, every nation shall be free. Raise your banner, sing with pride. Jah is standing by our side. Fire burn wickedness, hear the cry. Truth will never, never fade or die. Let the drums of Zion lead the way. Hope is rising with the brighter day. Fire burn wickedness, hearts unite. Walking boldly in the Father's light. One love growing like an endless flame. Forever praising Jah's holy name. Fire, wickedness, Jah light forever. One love, one people. Give thanks and yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Morning light upon the hillside bright. Children laughing in the golden light. Every nation, every tribe can see Jah made one family beneath one tree. No more walls to divide the soul. Love and mercy make the broken whole. Lift your eyes to the endless sky. Together we rise, together we fly. Hear the drums of freedom calling. Catch the spirit, no more falling. Hand in hand we stand so strong. Every heartbeat sings one song. One heart, one love, forever we stand. Guided by Jah across every land. One heart, one love, let the children sing. Peace is the crown that love will bring. One heart, one love, let the fire burn bright. Shining together through the darkest night. From Kingston streets to African plains, hope still grows through joy and pain. Every river finds the sea at last. Healing tomorrow, releasing the past. Let compassion be the guiding flame. Every sister, every brother the same. Plant the seeds where kindness grows. The tree of unity forever shows. No Babylon can break our chain. Love will wash away the pain. Raise your voices to the sky. Truth and justice never die. Queen of Zion, sing so free. Just sweet love is our destiny. light shining, my heart stands still. No chain forever can hold the soul. Love and justice make the broken whole. Children singing by the riverside. Hope is stronger than the rising tide. From the dust we lift our eyes again, calling out, freedom shall reign. Freedom shall reign forever and ever. Jah hold thy hand now and forever. No more hatred, no more pain. Blessed love will break every chain. Freedom shall reign across the land. United hearts, hand in hand, with every drum and every refrain. Jah knows freedom shall reign. Babylon walls may stand so high, truth like an eagle still will fly. Every sister, every brother strong, lift your voice in a righteous song. Seeds of peace are growing wide, flowing deep like the ocean tide. Faith is stronger than the storm and rain. Jah declare, freedom shall reign. Freedom shall reign forever and ever. Jah hold thy hand now and forever. No more hatred, no more pain. Blessed love will break every chain. Freedom shall reign across the land. United hearts, hand in hand, with every drum and every refrain. Jah knows freedom shall reign. Africa calling from mountain to sea. Spirit of the people longing to be free. Raise your banner and let the trumpet sound. Love and righteousness abound. One heart, one soul, one destiny. Walking together in harmony. Freedom shall reign. Let the whole world sing. Lift your voices to the King of Kings. From every village, every plain, hope will blossom after rain. Freedom shall reign through night and day. Jah guide every step along the way. With love forever, we proclaim, blessed be Jah, freedom shall reign. Oh, Jah guide I, keep I strong. Freedom is the people's song. From generation unto generation, peace shall live in the mountains to the sea, love shall set the people free. I hear the morning breeze calling through the fields so green and wide. Every heartbeat tells a story with the Most High by our side. No matter where the road may lead us, love will never fade away. Hand in hand we'll keep on singing, greeting every brand new day. Lift your eyes beyond the sorrow, feel the light upon your face. Every soul deserves tomorrow, wrapped in God's amazing grace. We are children of the Most High, standing tall beneath the sky. One love flowing like a river, faith and hope will never die. We are children of the Most High, strong together side by side, with the fire burning gently. Jah forever is our guide. Hear the drums of freedom beating, echo through the ancient land. Every sister, every brother, walking with a helping hand. No more hatred, no more fighting, let compassion lead the way. Plant the seeds of peace and justice for a brighter, better day. When the night feels long and lonely, still the stars shine bright above. Every prayer becomes a promise, every heart can bloom with love. Rise together, never falter, let your spirit testify. Hope will carry every nation like an eagle through the sky. We are children of the Most High, voices lifted, hearts are free, singing songs of hope and mercy for the world in harmony. We are children of the Most High, keep the flame forever bright, walking in that path of goodness, guided by eternal light. We are children of Most High, lift your voices to the sky. One love, one heart, one family, forever living in harmony. Jah light shines eternally. Yes, eternally.
Jah guide I
down by the rivers of Zion, where the living waters flow. I found peace in every sunrise, more than words could ever know. Though Babylon keeps calling, trying to steal my song, Jah has wrapped his love around me and made my spirit strong. Every mountain I will climb, every valley I will cross, holding fast to truth and mercy, counting nothing that is a loss. Take me to the rivers of Zion, where my weary heart can rest. Wash away the fear and sorrow, fill my soul with happiness. Livers of Zion, pure and deep, just sweet promises I keep, flow forever through my heart. Never let your love depart. Hear the children singing softly, voices rising with the breeze. Every drum beat tells a story, carried through the ancient trees. Love will conquer every hatred, light will overcome the night, standing firm in faith together, walking in just holy light. No storm can drown the river, no darkness hide the day. Every tear becomes a blessing when Jah shows the way. from the hills of Zion's glory. My heart will always be free. Rivers of Zion, forever flowing home. Oh, Jah, guide I through the night. Your love surrounds my soul, forever shining bright. Morning breaks upon the hillside, golden light upon the sea. Every breath you freely give me is another victory. Though the wind may shake the branches, though the rain begins to fall, your gentle hand is always with me. I will never fear at all. When the world grows cold, your fire keeps me warm. When the skies turn gray, you calm every storm. Jah is my shelter, my refuge and song, holding my spirit where I belong. Mountains may tremble, rivers may rise, still I see hope in your everlasting eyes. Jah is my shelter, my strength every day, lighting my footsteps all along the way. Hear the drums of hope resounding, echoes through the ancient land. Every sister, every brother, walking hand in hand. Plant the seeds of love and justice, water them with faithful hearts. From the roots of truth and mercy, a brighter future starts. No fear can steal my freedom, no darkness hide the dawn. Love is stronger than oppression, its light keeps shining on. I lift my voice in gladness with every rising sun. Together we'll keep singing until all hearts are one. Jah is my shelter, my refuge and song, keeping me faithful, steady and strong. the mango. Elders chant beside the sea. Every heartbeat tells a story of hope and liberty. Love is stronger than the hatred. Truth is brighter than the night. When we stand as one together, Jah will make the burden light. No Byron can break my spirit. No darkness steals my song. The roots grow deeper every season, where faith has made me strong. The drumbeat calls the nations. The trumpet sounds so clear. Lift your voice with every sister. The time for love is here.